Greetings, I'm Edward Wall-Lynham, also known by my music artist name, Dr. JD. This is an introduction to my new video blog or vlog called How to Win a Murder Trial Against All Odds, Criminal Defense Trial Strategies and Techniques. Now I know you're probably wondering, what does JD stand for? Well, the JD stands for Juris Doctor. You know, that degree that all law students earn after they successfully complete law school? Well, that's where the JD comes from. And if you're wondering, well, why does he call himself doctor? Well, that's because when I was an adjunct instructor at the Hillsborough Community College, students who have teachers that are lawyers, they have to call them either professor or doctor. So my students called me Dr. J because the middle initial to my name is J, or Juan, as many of you who are watching already know. Now, you may be asking, where does the D come from? Well, of course, Juris Doctor for the D. Now, with respect to music artists, I added the D because there are already a bunch of music artists out there named Dr. J. So I needed to be Dr. JD to be the only music artist named Dr. JD. While I was an adjunct instructor at Hillsborough Community College, I taught courses like business law, introduction to entrepreneurship, international business, as well as business communications and technology. I've been self-employed ever since earning my law degree in 2005 from the inaugural class of the Florida A&M University College of Law in 2005, after which point I went on to take the July 2005 bar exam, where I passed, along with about 12 other black students from the FAMU College of Law who passed the bar exam the first time. But before going to law school, I began my professional career in 1998 as a pharmaceutical sales intern with Bristol Myers Squibb. And after graduating in 1999, I worked with them, and a year later was fast-tracked to become an associate region sales manager of the New York, Pennsylvania, Virginia region. Now, while working at corporate headquarters in Plainsboro, New Jersey, did I earn my MBA, or Master's in Business Administration, from the Rider University there. After finishing my MBA from Rider, I took what's called an education leave of absence because I wanted to learn Spanish and become fluent in Spanish. So I left the United States and moved to Madrid, Spain, and studied at the university there, where I became fluent in Spanish. And while there, my company, Bristol Myers Squibb, gave me an internship in the marketing department. So while in Spain, I worked as well as went to school to learn Spanish. Like I said, when I returned to the United States, I attended the Florida A&M University College of Law. While in law school, I participated in their bankruptcy clinical program because my background in business focused in accounting. And that's why my senior research paper as a law student was about the burdens and benefits of a fair versus a flat tax system. After passing the bar exam in July 2005, I became the president and CEO of the African American Chamber of Commerce of Central Florida, after which point did I hang my own shingle, or as lawyers who think they have a sense of humor would say, I became walking malpractice because they say lawyers who hang their own shingle right after law school don't know what they're doing. And there may be some truth to that. But look at me now. I'm one of the few lawyers who've won a murder trial by jury verdict. This video blog chronicles the book that I'm currently writing called How to Win a Murder Trial Against All Odds, Criminal Defense Trial Strategies and Techniques. So whether you're going to be a civil or criminal lawyer, this book is going to teach you how to be the best civil or criminal lawyer in any courtroom that you step into, whether as the defense attorney or as the prosecution. I'm going to teach you how to crush the other side. And if you're not a lawyer or a law student, and you're just a person who wants to learn more about criminal procedure and your constitutional rights, well, you're going to learn a whole lot about how to deal with the police and know your constitutional rights when you have those type of encounters. You see, this video blog, as well as my book, is largely inspired by the fact that there are so many lawyers out there faking the funk. They don't have any real experience. Many, if not most, have never picked a jury. Many, if not most, have never even filed a motion to dismiss or a motion to suppress based upon constitutional violations of a police officer. So how can they protect you and your rights if they don't have this experience? Many, believe it or not, go and spend as much as $300 on an award or trophy that they hang in their office that says that they are one of the top 100 lawyers in their field of practice. I repeat, they spend as much as $300 on an award or trophy that they hang in their office so that when you walk in as a potential client, you'll think that they've got it going on and that they've got the experience and what it takes to represent you in court. But it's all a hoax. This video blog is also going to teach you about Florida's judicial nominating commissions. You see, here in Florida, judges, yeah, they may call them elected officials, but the truth is 80% of them are selected by these small local judicial nominating commissions. 80% of them. So 80% of judges aren't even elected initially, and then they become incumbents who have no one to run against them. So it's a way of circumventing democracy. And the purpose of this is so these commissions can select judges who are going to uphold the current system of white supremacy in the state of Florida. This video blog is also going to review and teach you all about Florida's Judicial Qualification Commission, the commission that's set up in Tallahassee that's supposed to be the disciplinary arm of judges, their checks and balances. But I'm going to share examples with you of why the JQC, or Judicial Qualifications Commission, is nothing more than an entity that protects judges who engage in white supremacy and racism. So you're going to want to stay tuned to this video blog that, again, chronicles the book that I'm writing, How to Win a Murder Trial Against All Odds, Criminal Defense Trial Strategies and Techniques. Whether you're an aspiring civil or criminal lawyer, or whether you're a general litigant or just someone who wants to know their constitutional rights and criminal procedure when you have encounters with the law or with police, this video blog is for you. Again, this is Dr. JD with the video blog that's chronicling my new book, How to Win a Murder Trial Against All Odds. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for episode 1. You're not going to want to miss it. Goodbye.